Hello everyone, this is Mr. Molo with the 6.4 to 6.6 review and tips and tricks here. So again, since I made both of these, the review and the quiz are pretty much identical to each other. So make sure when you're going through the review, write some things down so that'll make the quiz a lot easier for you. So 1 and 2 on the quiz and the review are growth and decay problems. So notice it'll give you an equation and you need to write in the first blank whether it's growth or decay. Make sure it's spelled correctly, please, and then by how much. And so notice here I already have a percent symbol in there, so you don't need to say, decaying by 98%. You can say decay, and then you can just write the 98 in there. You don't need the percent. So here's the review, 1 and 2, growth and decay. Here's the quiz, 1 and 2, growth and decay. 3, you're actually solving the problem. So it says evaluate if t is 4, so it gives you the equation. And then it says round to the nearest hundredth, and that is 2 spots after the decimal. Okay, so make sure that you are rounding to the nearest hundredth. I only have one answer in there for the correct answer for Schoology, so because if everyone's rounding to the nearest hundred, then we should be the same. Remember, when you round, if the third number now, since we're rounding to 2 spots after the decimal, so if that third number is higher than 5, or 5 or higher, it's going to round that second number up 1. But if it's 4, 3, 2, or 1, or 0, it's going to keep that second number the same. So that would be number 3 on both of them. And then 4, 5, and 6 on both, 4, 5, 6, 7 actually, on both the review and the quiz are solving for x with the exponent. So it'll start off a little simpler where they'll both have the same base, 4 and 4, and then it'll get drastically harder where, okay, you can make that by changing one of them, and then you're going to have to change on one of them again, and then on the last one you're going to have to change both, and it's the same thing. 9 and 9, change 1, change 1, and then change both. Okay, and then again, make sure you're putting in your answer there. Those are just one number answers, so it should be fine. And then 8, 9, and 10 are all about geometric sequences. So find the common ratio. So you're just going to put in the common ratio is and solve the problem. And then here we're looking for the next 3 terms. Again, make sure you put these in order. If the next number is 9,400 and then this one, is 10,000, make sure you're putting it in that order. Don't switch it up and do it another way there. So those will be the next numbers for that stuff. And then the last one on the quiz is asking you to find the 6th term. So I gave you the first term, I gave you the second term, I gave you the third term, I gave you the fourth term. You need to find the 6th term. And so you can either use the formula or you can just keep going with the pattern and then find the 5th term and then find the 6th term and then put it in there. So let me know if you have any questions.